In the previous video, we have seen about the table, right? The table structure and what are the things we are able to uh, give in table to make the page look better. So now in this video, we'll continue with the previous exercise. Like we have made a registration form here with the name, email, password. Re-enter the password and gender, male or female. These radio buttons, and then we have submit and reset buttons, right? Okay, these are all the things. Let me include another gender field, sorry for that. Okay, yeah, I'm just removing this from here and let's write it as others. Yeah, so we have the form here. Let's apply the table for this and let's see how does the page looks like. Okay, I'm just copying the entire thing here inside the table. Okay, yeah, we are able to see, and once after that I'm just giving okay. Oh, now let's see how we need to apply the table for this entire form. Okay, I'm just writing the table here. Okay, once after giving the table attribute, we need to create a row, and inside the row we have a td, because we don't have any headers here. So for that reason I'm just creating td here, and inside td we'll give this label, one label here, it goes here, and inside another td we'll give this one. Okay, here we don't require any break, so I'm just cutting down it here, and yeah, here it goes. We are able to see the well structured format, and we are creating another row td and couple of tds here. Let's take this email from here, just copying this, I mean cutting that from there, and I'm pasting above inside the td. Okay, let's see what happens, how does it looks. And similarly we'll create another, I'm just fast forwarding, you can check that. See, I think you're able to see how well structured the form looks like now. This is the advantage of tables, so that you can restructure your tables with good looking things. So this is the video about the previous exercise. Hope this helps you in creating the tables in HTML. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.